Whakaalo whātu makau, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This morning we're on a walk with my mum again.
O hui.
Oh hui, a pongi pongi.
He pongi pongi.
He pongi pongi. I just what's 5 tips you can give to learn the Vagahau Niue?
5 tips is must learn the vowels, how to pronounce the vowels properly. That's the key to it.
Learn the vowels.
Yeah, learn the vowels.
Okay.
And also find the tips to learn Vagahau Niue. Find someone who speaks fluent Niue.
That's 2.
To help you.
Find someone fluent speaker.
Yes.
Okay.
And also continue to keep speaking the language.
Keep speaking it.
The more you speak, the more confident you feel to speak the language. And there's some feed down here.
Oh. Free feed hours.
Oh, yummy. Yes.
So what? First one, learn the vowels.
Learn the A-E-I-O-U.
Ah.
A-E-I-O-U.
Find someone who knows how to speak the language.
Fluently to help you.
And the third one is to practice as much as you can.
Yes, practice. But not only that, if you know your family or your parents know how to speak Niue and they speak English to you, remind them, say no, speak in Niue to you.
So 4th one is ask the fluent speakers to Vagahau Niue.
Yeah.
Oh,
to
okay.
You.
Yeah.
Because it's very easy to start with whakaalo whātu, next minute
Vagahau Palangi.
Vagahau Palangi. And it's a continuation of Vagahau.
Yeah.
Because it's so easy to slip back into English.
Yeah.
And also, if someone used big words you don't understand, stop and ask, what does that mean?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, oh, okay. What would you say is a hard word?
There are a lot of hard words. There are a lot of hard formal words.
Yeah.
In the Niue language that a lot of people don't understand, or
Yeah.
they can say the word but they don't know how it's been used or applied.
Yeah.
In a situation. Muka muka ke Vagahau e tō kupu tō kupu muka muka tō e whano. Whano means go.
Yeah.
Whano ki whafo, go outside. Whano ke o hui.
Yeah.
Go for a walk like what we're doing now.
Oh, okay.
Mawhana.
So that's the last one. Eh? Ask.
Yes.
Stop and ask the person what does it mean before you continue.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Hiya.
So the number 1, learn the vowels. Number 2, find a person that can speak it.
Yeah.
Number 3, practice every day.
Yes.
Number 4, if you're speaking to a Niuean person and they start speaking Palangi, we might tell them it's Vagahau Niue. And then number 5 is to ask. Stop and ask if you hey mama.
Hey mama.
Yeah.
Stop and ask.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep, that's the one.
Those are 5 tips from a Niue expert on how to learn the Vagahau Niue. All right.
The key to it is find someone.
Yeah.
In the family, we all have family members that you could ask. Even every day you call up whakaalo whātu, malolo, makaya koe.
Yeah.
And then every day, if there's no one near you, you can call someone or call a friend who speaks Niuean.
Yeah.
Whakaalo whātu, malolo, nakaya koe. Simple thing like whano a koe ki whehau nei.
Yeah.
Like
The
say, what are you
basics.
going to do? Yeah, where are you going today?
Yeah.
Ho tapua nei, today's Sunday. Whano a koe ki whe. And the other person said, whano he tapu, which means I'm going to church.
Yeah.
And it's simple. But yes, definitely, if you can remember A-E-I-O-U. Yes, and if you read something, A-E-I-O-U, the words.
Oh, well, whakaoe he langmatai hao. If you have any comments or you want to add to that, or leave a comment on below.
Sometimes people laugh when you speak in Niue, not because laughing at you. They laugh because it's the way you pronounce the word, and it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, but don't be put off when people laugh. Not because they're judging or say, oh, you don't know how to speak Niue. It's just the way you pronounce the Niue words or the way you say it, which sounds funny to them, but they're most willing. All Niue people are willing to help you, but don't be put off when people laugh.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. 5 tips to learn Vagahau Niue. Now it's my favorite part. It's the
Snapper head.
snapper head. Man,
Lots of protein.
can't even see that. Can't even see. Look at that. Can you see that?
Yep.
Shee.
Nice.
Yes. What's that?
Yep, that's the step ahead.
Snapper head.
Don't forget, learn how to pronounce the vowel R-A-E-O-U. Find someone who's fluent in the Niue language so you can practice with. Speak the language a lot. Practice your language to get confident. And also, if someone speaks in Niue to you and you don't understand what they're saying, stop them and ask them to explain to you what does it mean. Okay? Have a nice, great day. And John and I, we are going into our snapper head.
Yep.
Thank you. Yep.
Yeah, fuck off. So if you enjoyed that, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and ua nimo ke Vagahau Niue.